welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you guys are here for another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what fits inside of the Louis Vuitton Sac Plat. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All good and positive things happen over here on this channel, so just go ahead and join the family. Also give this video a thumbs up and also hit that bell's notification so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. I love chit chatting with you guys over there, and I just love the love that you share with me over there, and I just like connecting with you guys. I just love connecting with you all here as well as on Instagram. Also, don't forget that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. One lucky winner will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and another lucky winner will get to win these Gucci sunglasses. The entry details will be in the description box down below, so please make sure to check out the description box to see entry details. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So as you know, in my previous video, I unboxed the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat, and it is a very cute and very small and very structured handbag. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you all everything that can fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat. Keep in mind, I am one of those individuals that really don't carry that much, so I really have with me all of my essential items that I carry on a day-to-day basis. And so yeah, let's just figure out everything that fits inside of the Petit Sac Plat. So right now I just have my strap inside of there, and this is what the inside of the bag looks like. So it's just one main compartment with a slip pocket in the back there. So right now I have been carrying my Louis Vuitton bum bag. So these are the items that I have in my bum bag. So the first item that I want to see that will fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat is my mini pochette. Inside of my mini pochette, I have a hair tie. I don't know why I have 2 lip balms, but I have 2 lip balms. I have 2 packs of gum. I also have a YSL Black Opium perfume and some Listerine strips. So I'm going to place all those items back inside of my mini pochette, and we're going to zip her up, and we're going to see if the mini pochette fits inside. So here we go. So as you can see, the mini pochette, it does fit, but you see how much room it takes up? So the mini pochette takes up a lot of room. Let me see if I can fit my phone with the mini pochette inside of the Petit Sac Plat. So here's my cell phone. I have an iPhone 10 with the case. It's just the regular iPhone 10, no Max or plus size. It's just the iPhone 10. So, okay, so with the iPhone 10 with a case and the mini pochette, it does fit inside of the Petit Sac Plat. It's not bulging out or anything. This is what it looks like. So I can say that the mini pochette fits inside of the Petit Sac Plat with the phone. Especially if you're carrying the Louis Vuitton key pouch, you can easily attach your key pouch to your Sac Plat. I mean, I guess you could attach the key pouch to the side of the Petit Sac Plat, but it is like a little bit longer than the bag, you see? It's a little bit longer than the bag, but if that doesn't bother you, you can keep that side like close to your body and carry it like this, or you can show off the key pouch. Is up to you. But with the mini pochette inside of the Petit Sac Plat with my phone, I'm gonna see if this fits in there. So the Louis Vuitton key pouch it fit right inside. It fit like right on top of the mini pochette. So there it is. I'm gonna slide it in. Now It does fit inside, but the bag is starting to bulge a little bit. I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see like at the tops how it's starting to like stick out on both sides. I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to bulge just a little bit. Like, it does fit the key pouch, the mini pochette, and my phone. And I guess in your jacket pocket or jean pocket, you could fit some hand sanitizer. You could keep the hand sanitizer in there, but right now you don't have any way of like keeping hand sanitizer in your purse or whatnot. But it does all fit, but it does stretches out the canvas just a little bit, like just a little bit. You can see the stretch. And then if I put it back to normal size, that is what it looks like. So it stretches, and you can like push down to make it like normal size again. So far in this configuration, we have the Louis Vuitton key pouch, we have the mini pochette, and my cell phone. So here we have my monogram key pouch, which just has my credit cards in there and some cash. We have the mini pochette that's holding a whole bunch of miscellaneous items like gum, lip gloss, hair tie, that sort of nature. And we have my cell phone, which is an iPhone 10, and it fit perfectly with the case. So you didn't have a mini pochette, so and you don't have a Louis Vuitton key pouch, but you have a card holder with the card holder in the back of the bag. I'm gonna insert the card holder inside of the slip pocket, so that frees up some like actual pocket space, like interior space. So we're gonna insert our cell phone right inside of the bag. And I know pros fit in this bag, because when I was looking up this handbag on YouTube, people who had like the 11 Pro or the 12 Pro Max, it fit perfectly. It like literally fit right up to the edge of the bag. But my phone, you can barely even see that I have a phone in there. So yeah, it fits perfectly right inside. And then, so we have our card holder in the back. We have our phone right there. And then with our miscellaneous items, we're going to insert our gum packs, and we're going to insert a lip balm, and we're going to insert a hair tie, and we're going to also insert a Listerine, the Listerine strips. And also we need to keep our hands clean, so we have hand sanitizer. And this is the tricky part. Now this hand sanitizer is the mini hand sanitizer, so it's the smallest bottle of hand sanitizer you can buy. If you use wipes, that's even better, because wipes can be folded and placed down inside of the bag. And the hand sanitizer fits right on in there with no problem. How I have this bag organized now is that, oh, I forgot to insert the YSL perfume. So in the inside of the bag, for easy access, I put the card holder in the slot pocket in the back, so that it's easy access to the card holder, so you don't have to like search for it. Then you have your phone right here. And then with the white cap, you have your hand sanitizer, you have the Listerine strips right here on this side with the shiny cap. Ooh. Right here, that is the YSL perfume. And then at the very bottom, there is some gum. So I'm just gonna pull out everything that I have in this bag so that you can see for yourself everything that fits. This literally fits all of my essentials, like literally all of my essentials. So I have my iPhone 10 with the case. In the back pocket, I have a card holder. Then I have some Listerine strips. I have a small bottle of hand sanitizer. I have the YSL Black Opium perfume. I have my Kiehl's lip balm. I have a hair tie. And I have 2 packs of gum. 2 packs of gum that's in this Petit Sac Plat. So that's literally everything that you can basically fit in here. I showed you 2 different configurations of. I hope that is helpful for you guys if you are considering purchasing the Petit Sac Plat. I know watching a lot of what fits in my bag videos helped me decide on purchasing this handbag or not. I hope this video was helpful to you all if you are considering purchasing the Petit Sac Plat. If you like content like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed content like today's video, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And also don't forget that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and all the giveaway entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.